Good morning, my name is André Piednoir. I am the executive chef at the Ritzcarlton Istanbul. We are here in Bleu Grill and Lounge, and today we are going to make the fresh shrimp spring roll. So the first step would be to start the broth. The broth is made out of water and sliced vegetables, onion, carrots, celery. We add some fresh coriander, a little bit of soy sauce, and a pinch of salt, just not to have something too salty because the soy sauce is already salty. When the broth starts boiling, reduce the fire and let's cook a couple of minutes just for the flavor to develop into the broth. Then we're going to plunge the shrimps into the broth and we're going to cook them slowly. As soon as they are a bit firm, when you pinch them, you have to plunge them in ice water so you don't overcook the shrimp. They stop cooking at this point and they remain crunchy. The second stage would be to prepare the dipping sauce made out of sugar, rice vinegar, fish sauce. Fish sauce is not a fish stock. Fish sauce is a Southeast Asian fish sauce, a bit of soy sauce and some fresh ginger to infuse in. So the method is as followed. You just boil sugar and rice vinegar until the sugar is completely dissolved. Then we remove it from the heat and add all other ingredients and let infuse the ginger a few minutes and set it aside until it gets to room temperature. Now your dip is ready. The next step is to take the rice paper and get it wet onto a damp cloth, not too wet, just humid so you don't melt your paper. Then you fold one side of it in order to have a straight edge and you layer all your ingredients starting from the lettuce, the little sticks of carrots, mango, spring onions, and you put the shrimp and you roll it tight. Be careful not to press too hard in order not to cut off the paper. Roll it and set aside. Repeat the operation until all your ingredients are finished, all your shrimps are finished, and set them aside. Next step would be to plate it. So you prepare your salad. So you have all the same ingredients as you have in a spring roll, but it's going to be seasoned with Asian vinaigrette made out of vinegar, a little bit of toasted sesame oil and some vegetable oil, fish sauce again, a pinch of salt. Mix everything to have an emulsion and your dressing is ready. So just drizzle your mixed salad with a little bit of this dressing. Not too much, just enough to coat the ingredients. And we're going to set it in a ring on the side of on the corner of the plate in order to have something a bit more tidy. So that's a summer dish, no frying involved. It's basically a salad with fruits, herbs and shrimp. So perfect for hot days, lunch, Chardonnay or a light beer, and enjoy.